going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a sexy new jazz drill type beat, something for like maybe like Ice Spice or something like that, something a little more like original. But basically we're gonna blend new jazz drill and sexy drill. We're gonna make sexy new jazz. Anyway, we're gonna mix all those genres together, and we're gonna make a super unique type beat, you know what I'm saying? But let's get right to it. Sexy New Jersey drill, that's the vibes. I just watched the footage and my camera turned off like 10 minutes into the cookup, so gotta redo the whole thing, but we'll make it a bit different. Anyway, let's go. So a good BPM for like sexy drill beats is like around like 140. So that being said, let's do 146. And I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna go to my Me and Me kit, and I'm gonna grab this dingle synth right here. Just put that tack all the way down, put the release down a little bit. And for our scale, let's do, what should we do? What if we do A sharp? Let's do A sharp minor. An easy way to build these kind of progressions is start with your root note, and we're gonna take this note here. We're gonna go 3 notes down. So 1, 2, 3, and get rid of these. And we're only counting the white lines, which are the notes in our scale. And now we're just gonna go 1 note up, and now we have our bass notes for our chords. Let's just pitch this down. And now with this chord, let's do like a minor 7. So just skip every second note. And then here, let's try something like this. Maybe add this note in here too. And then I want to add like a little like roll down right here. And then here, let's take that out. Just have some variation here. Now let's just clone this up and let's get like a key layer. We're just gonna layer our chords with a 1 shot right here. Let's just turn it down. So now we got our 2 layers right here. Just put that tack on this synth up a little bit. Now we're gonna work on a lead. I'm just gonna go to my Untitled kit, grab this celestial. It's kind of like a key sound, but it works like a lead. So we'll put this tension up a little bit just so it doesn't clip. We're gonna make a little variation right here. Let's try this. Okay, now we're just gonna add a couple more layers. Let's get a lead, or actually, wait, what was that sound I wanted? A synth? Yeah, this glocking right here. And we're just gonna add just a few little notes. Let's do it like this. Now I just want to get a thin little key to kind of like fill right here and right here. Get a piano sound. I'm just gonna put it right here. Add some delay to that. Let's add the Z key delay. I might still switch the notes. I just want to hear it with the delay. Okay, I'm gonna grab another key. I'm gonna do my Me and Me kit. Let's grab this flang right here. And basically, like with these beats, you just want kind of a lot of layers, but make sure that there's still a lot of space. Try to add like a little, kind of like a count right here. Wait, and then right here, I want to fade the velocity in, something like this. And I want to add like a little on the 1. Yeah, this one call out. Just put the tack all the way down, put the release pretty much all the way down. We're just gonna add it on the 1. I usually just kind of click a random note and then figure it out. Let's just shorten it. I need to change this key right here. This get a better sound. Take all the highs out of the slide thing. Try to add one more texture. All right, so we have a melody pretty well like built out. So now I'm just gonna take all our melodies right here and then route them to a little melody bus, just so I can add some compression and reverb. Go to my kit. Where is it? Mixer presets right here. I'm gonna mix the melody at the very end, but for now, I'm just gonna put this little melody master, do a low cut, and let's get started on the drums. I'm gonna start with the clap. Let's just get that sexy drill bounce down. Basically, like the only difference is you just put the clap like right here instead of here, you know. Let's just do a drill bounce right here. That's cool. Let's get a crash. And now let's start getting the bass. Let's get an 808. We're gonna use like 3 different 808s. We'll start off with the spins right here. We're just gonna follow the root notes. Just grab this, pitch it up. You get another one. We need that like sexy drill one. This one right here. We're gonna take this out right here. We need another bass. We need another bass. I like this one. This re one is nuts. Slide it back down to F. Let's get a triangle. Get another triangle. Let's add some pans to these hi-hats. I'm just trying to think what else to add. It sounds pretty full, but I'm gonna arrange it and I want like clear little sections, you know? I'm thinking of adding one more lead. This spooky odd tape lead. I just need to turn up the attack on this. I'll add some delay to it. Add a comb filter to the lead, just make it pop a little bit more. Add a chorus to the keys. Kyle Richh would slide on this. Kyle Richh, Cash Cobain, Chow Lee, slide. Slid. Dude, how do I get this a Chow Lee, bro? No, I gotta get this a Kyle Richh, bro. I don't want to add too much because this is already a lot. So I'm just gonna arrange it. This beat has a lot of sounds and a lot of layers, but the melodies are super simple. Besides the lead, when you're making these kind of beats, you really want to leave a lot of space, but also kind of fill it in at the same time. Yo, what if I get a Kyle Richh acapella? Yeah, we're gonna get a Kyle Richh acapella on this. Let's sort by BPM. So we got 146. So any okay, perfect. Yo, Beckham.
41 for the win. I've been scoring in buckets like I'm Jimmy Lin. Throw a shot if he's in the fence when I got bullets that's ripping through all of his skin. It's a message to all of the trolls. They don't want beef with the pros. If I see a G, I'ma shoot. Like when I party, I think about loot. All the guys I've been feeling like Stu. This was a rain man. Like I've been working them down like a troop. Rubber blowing his skin like the shit was a fluke. Like the
Alright, that's a wrap, yo. We bodied that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys are planning on making beats like this, I recommend just like keeping your melodies pretty simple and leaving a lot of space. Like there's a lot of layers in here and everything like that, but it is pretty simple and there is kind of like a lot of space. If you guys want my drum kit Untitled, which is out now, you guys are looking for some new sounds, stuff like that, you guys want to help support the channel, go check it out. It has a bunch of one shots in there, loops, midis, drums, vocals, phrases, textures, everything, you know what I'm saying? Really good kit. Make sure to check it out. Use code UNDERDOG for 25% off. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.